Alright guys, want to enable call notification LED light on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to turn this feature on. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and get alerts easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.